Welcome back. Next up, we have a WAN 2.2 text-to-video workflow. Again, we will use Linda with a pirate attire and a messy hair bun. Since we are now creating a video directly from the text prompt, I want to add some motion to it, so let's make the wind blow in her hair. I have intentionally put a 5-second delay on the workflow here. The reason for that is that most models have an API limit, not only for calls per day, but for calls per minute. The extra 5-second is to minimize the risk of getting an error from that last API call. Here's the full combined output prompt, Linda's DNA, what she's doing and where she's doing it. Here's the settings that works for my system. I normally use 544 by 768 or the other way around, and 97 to 113 frames at 16 frames per second for a total of 6 to 7 second video. If you have a better system than me, you can raise some of these values. If you are on the lower end for creating videos, you might have to lower them a bit. Since I forgot to disable the torch compile node, and this is the first run, it will take longer than it usually does. So let's fast forward a bit. We're almost there, and soon we're going to see our pirate captain Linda steering her pirate ship. And here she is, our Linda with the familiar face. And this time we even got her a captain's hat. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, or if you have any other requests or suggestions for videos, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment.